Rip. Hey,
Ripperino.
Shout out.
Shout out to Rogue Nation. We out here getting lit. We lit out here, Rogue Nation. We out here, Rogue Nation. We lit or whatever. No. My new gang, Rogue Nation gang or whatever. Gang. All that stuff. Gang. Queen JDM, Rogue Nation gang out here. Gang. All that stuff. Okay. Fuck with me and get the money. Okay. Get the money. Shout out my cousin Daquan or whatever. We out here, whatever.
Gotta go down. Shout out to the niggas.
Shout out to the niggas that's locked up. All my cousins that's locked up. That's how you gotta get. You gotta shout out to my niggas that's locked up or whatever. That's locked up. Shout out to
Yo.
They was trying to get the money, but the they want to be all like bucks, whatever. Okay. That's how you gotta be. Yeah.
I'm just looking for a thing to do. I don't even wanna speak to you. I'm just looking for a thing to move. I'm just looking for a thing to do. Okay, first things first, I got the swag, yeah. The people see me try to get me on they snap, yeah. I'm like, nah, I don't fuck with that, nah. Don't hit my phone unless you tryna buy a bag, yeah. I've been working since a youngin', I fucking love it. Try to stop me, shut the fuck up, that's the end, no discussion, dog. Quit your bitchin' and quit your fussin', cause John ain't with it. And that means something pouring lean, I'm double cuppin', yeah. I'm dressed up, no mask, hoodie on, all black. Spend a rag, make it back, kill the shit, tic-tac, toe tag, motherfucker. I hit the Jade and count the cash, motherfucker, yeah. I ain't got shit to lose. I'm just looking for a thing to do. I don't wanna speak to you. I'm just looking for a thing to do. I ain't got shit to lose. I'm just looking for a thing to do. I don't wanna speak to you. I'm just looking for a thing to do. Used to stress it, now I laugh about it, homie. Pass a loud, they roll another zip down my money counter, yeah. I do a day, what you do in the week? I'm sitting tight like the shoes on my feet. You can't compete, nah. My bitch pretty, my team litty, we still gritty. The weed shitty, my ace 50, so don't you kid me. I've been rocking, I've been chilling, and you still with me. I changed my number and they still hit me up. They like, damn, John, what's up? Can you pour me a cup? I'm like,
Oh, you know, so we come here, I'm about to order. Like, I was just zooming in. Like, I wasn't even ordering this. She had a fucking attitude. She had like a fucking attitude. I'm like, what is your problem? But she walked off, so the other lady ordered. Yeah. Mustang. Some shit. Yo, son, this cop tried to fucking play me, but I came home real quick because Carlos is live, so I'm gonna see what he doing. But yeah, this cop just tried to play me. He was like in a Camaro. He was in his personal vehicle, but he tried, because I stopped because I thought it was actually someone I knew from the car meet or something. So I stopped. He was coming to a light anyway, and like I slowed down. So he pulls out, and then like he revs at me, and then he like does a pull real quick. So I'm like, I'm not stupid. Y'all cops think people are dumb, but yeah, he funny as shit. But Carlos is live. Hold up. Have to feed my addiction. Hey yo, son. So this is like sleep. Like in the middle, I don't know if you can see it. He's like right there. He was like sleep, like in the middle of the fucking store. He was just falling asleep and shit. Alright, so I don't know if you saw it at 7-Eleven, but I'm doing these taste tests. Well, not this, but this Monster. Cause I never had Monster. Ooh, Assassin's Creed. I'm sorry, okay, I'm focused. But I never had Monster before, so like I said, trying this Monster, and people rant and rave about this, so I'm gonna try this one. So I just feel so. Oh, that's the bottle. But I'm gonna try this one, and then I'm gonna try this in the morning. But I wanted more, but I just didn't have enough hands. The Wolfpack meet was actually pretty dope, but I still wouldn't go there without knowing nobody, because like it's still kind of the same vibe and shit that I got last time. Like I said, it's a bunch of wannabes that's there, dude. Yeah, I went with someone. They was cool as shit. Shout out to the homie, the two homies. I don't know if y'all want me to say your name. Damn, they said his goddamn name. Andrew, that's his name, from Driven to Cure. I wanted to talk to him, but like everybody was surrounding him and talking to him. I wanted to talk to him because I wanted to fucking try to interview him. And I'm happy to see that he's doing good because he hasn't posted a vlog. But if you want to check him out, his damn, what the hell is this channel? But he hasn't, like I say, he hasn't posted in a while. So yeah, it was kind of scaring me. So I mean, I don't know him personally, but you know, he seems like a good ass dude. But hopefully, and I also tried to find the owner of APAC. I couldn't find him. I seen like GTRs and all this other stuff, but it was just too much going on. So I'm gonna probably try to message him or whatever and interview him and all that stuff, and interview Andrew.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.